Light cone. A point is where we are and when we are. Our past joins our future in our present. Two cones meet, apex to apex. Beyond their bounds are stars we cannot see, horizons we will never cross, time's regions that are always out of reach. Our hands clasp, then let go. What need is there to touch? In both Western and Eastern philosophy, earth was long regarded as one of the fundamental elements that constitute all matter. Plato chose to represent it by the most stable of his Platonic solids, the cube, while in the yogic theory of subtle energy, the chakras, earth or Prithvi was symbolized by a shining yellow square. In my poem Earth Geometry, I use multiples of 4 to express different aspects of the earth. Earth Geometry. Solid stacking. 4 triangles per plane. 6 planes. Cube. Immobile. Beautiful as lightning, a square surrounded by 8 shining spears. Shifting plates on a spinning sphere, magnetized with a molten core. My mother, toes dew sensuous, at dawn among her fuchsias. The use of shape in both mathematics and poetry has always intrigued me, and I had long played with the idea of writing a poem based on the format of Pascal's triangle. Then one autumn morning, I was sitting at the kitchen table looking out into the garden, just before sunrise. The sky was majestic, the grass pale with frost, and the leaves hung bright-coloured and motionless on the trees. For a few moments, all these aspects combined in perfect harmony, and my Pascal's triangle poem fell quietly into shape. Autumn sunrise. In our sky, dawn clouds, gold. Frost delicately age silvers grass. Silent crystallization, intricately patterned, light-structured autumn. The final poem I'm going to read to you takes as its inspiration the chaotic behavior of a double pendulum. It's called Degrees of Freedom. Time as reassurance. The familiar moon waxing crescent. A child in the playground alone with her thoughts, on a swing suspended from a crossbar. A pendulum's slow pulse. 1 degree of freedom. But couple a second pendulum to the moving bob of the first, and our careful system starts to misbehave, disjointed as a Charlie Chaplin dance, hesitates, an unexpected swivel, and how we skip, fall, rise, depends on the smallest impetus. An email sent in anger, a phone call not made, a train missed, a word left out, just one more pint, a bounding deer, a moment of unprotected love, too busy to see the doctor, and we tumble, flailing in a ravine, while on a swing, suspended from the moon, a child whirls through unresisting space.